kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it. And you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back again, guys. As I say, we're just going to show you how you can make yourself a mushroom and fried egg wrap. Beautiful recipe, simple, quick, and effective. First of all, basically what we're going to do, I got my medium-sized frying pan on the stove already. So far, I'm going to simple pop a teaspoon of olive oil inside of the frying pan. And also a spoon of white onion. A little bit more. Saute this off about 3 to 2 seconds. Lovely. Then simple. Add roughly a handful of mushroom. Sliced mushroom. And saute it off about roughly 5 minutes, alright? Lovely and nice. As you can see, I saute off my mushroom now with the white onion. Simple, add the egg. I'm gonna scramble the egg with the mushroom. And also with that white onion. One, as you can see, looking lovely and nice so far. Basically, let's pop a teaspoon of milk, just a teaspoon of it, not too much. And also just a pinch of pepper, pinch of salt. So it's just only 2 eggs, guys, as you can see. So as you can see, and now I have some cheese, yellow cheese. I'm just gonna pour the cheese into it. So now this is finished. We're gonna share it up now. This is Saturday morning breakfast, guys. Beautiful mushroom with scrambled egg and cheese. Alright? Wrap. Saturday morning breakfast. Nice and lovely. So that's my wrap right here, guys. So basically, get your mushroom. Saturday morning breakfast. As you can see, looking so lovely and nice. Mushroom and scrambled egg and cheese. You don't have to put ketchup if you like, but I like put ketchup on mine as I did it before. And when I put the ketchup, it's so lovely. Take a little time and simple. Just simple fold it like this, guys, and like this. Be careful of that's what I'm talking about. You have to be careful with the wetness. So it's something which you have to do very gently. All right, so what to it bursters and what I'm gonna do is get another wrap and simple fold it in it like this. All right, if you guys can see exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. Nice and lovely. So look inside of that. That is beautiful, guys. So all you need to do is just have this with a nice, lovely cup of tea, a chocolate tea or something beautiful and nice. So hopefully, guys, you like the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We've got a lot more recipe like this coming out. This one is scrambled egg and mushroom and cheese with a little bit of ketchup. You can have it for your breakfast, Saturday morning breakfast, or for your lunch. So enjoy the recipe, and thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye. You can follow me on Facebook and Twitter, Instagram, and also Google Plus. So guys, follow me and get more idea. Don't miss out anything. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for your time, and remember, Christmas we have a lot of idea. Remember the Jamaican rum fruit cake and sorry. So a lot of things is coming for you guys. So thank you so much, and hopefully you have a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself, and see you in the next time. Bye bye.